alone in my own car on the monorail, flying through the sky. All right, so it is early November. It seemed like Halloween was just here. We got a monorail coming above us, but here are new Christmas decorations in front of Magic Kingdom. It's just changed a lot since fall decorations. We have brand new wreaths and whatever you would call that, garland across the front entrance of Magic Kingdom. Okay, City Hall might look the best for Christmas. That train station though, it's Pluto. Christmas tree in Magic Kingdom. Look at all these presents. I call the big one. There's the Emporium, decked out for the holidays. One of the cool things is that all the way down Main Street, you can see these Mickey wreaths, and right above them, you see these candles. These candles actually light up at night. More decorations. The ice cream parlor is amazing. Holidays around here. Do you celebrate the holidays?
Oh, indubitably. Always a jolly holiday when the wind blows this direction.
It's very true. Here's an update on the construction around the castle. And tonight we will see the castle light up for the first time ever. These new turrets that are on the sides, you can see the lights draped over them. So we're gonna see all of this happen tonight.
Join the party, a castle party. Come and join the fun. So let's get started. So much to do. Join the party. Where dreams really do
Woo! Look at these awesome Christmas decorations around Belle's Village. Decorations on the Bonjour gift shop. I just met up with my family. Look at those super cool pins, bro. Whoa, did you get a new Peter Pan hat? Oh, look at you. Woo! Sounding good, guys.
I'm waiting on Jack Sparrow. Captain Jack Sparrow, if you please. Oh, well, of course. Captain Jack Sparrow. Captain Jack Sparrow has arrived.
Woo!
Say goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Yeah, we got part in there.
How happy your mother is. I want you. Come on. Come on, little man. Up those stairs, you scallywag.
Yeah!
All right, itty bitty, get over here.
Itty bitty.
That's yours. Now, hit some again, and thrust to that belly. The belly's a little bit higher than you're doing very well. Now point your finger and say, look! Blackbeard's daughter. Flee! Run! Go! That way!
Hurrah!
You've all just witnessed the cutest pirate in existence. And he's right there. Yo! A pirate's not for me.
Yeah!
Come, we're right for them.
Woo!
Bring up Leon.
Getting on Space Mountain. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, you're riding up front. Yeah. The lights are on in Space Mountain. It's awesome. Yeah. This is so cool. Hey, Ponytail. You all right there?
Yeah.
Check this out. This is brand new. You can customize your own band. You can go to your Magic Band. You tap on Next. And it just lets you customize any Magic Band that you want. And the cool thing about it is, say you select a band, you can pick your color, which is cool. And you can choose to add your name or not add your name. And then check that out. You have a Spokesmayne Magic Band. All right, we're walking into the Incredibles dance party. Woo! From outer space, I see that. Frozone. Can I see your dance moves? Smooth! Nice moves, Maddie.
You did it! It worked!
By believing in your dreams, you saved the day.
Gosh, Donald, that sure was something standing up to that mean old Maleficent.
It was nothing. Well, Donald, Because of you, we all still have our dreams. If you just believe, share the magic in your heart. There's nothing you can't do. Oh, anything is possible. When you're in your prime, seize the moment. Let your fantasies and dreams set in you. That's all we're all place where love runs never ends. Any dream is possible. Wishes to come true.
So we're waiting right in front of the castle, waiting for the Queen actually, and who do we run into? It's Living by Disney. Hi guys, they actually just moved here from Virginia, and we met them at the Periscope meetup, and now we're like 3 feet away from them. I just want everybody to go follow them because they are an awesome family. So go check them out on Periscope and Instagram and all the fun stuff. I'll put it on the screen. So the lights are on.
I can't believe we're finally here! Everything looks so gorgeous. Who are they? Why, the townsfolk of this lovely land. Oh, the townsfolk, of course. I'm Dad. I am Queen Elsa of Arendelle, and this is my sister, Princess and this is my Kristoff, and this is Olaf. Wait, where's Olaf?
He was right behind us.
Olaf.
I think I hear him up there.
So high up.
Olaf, why don't you come down here and meet our new friends?
Hi, everyone. Oh, whoa. They got so much bigger. They're staring. Why are they staring? Are they real?
I think so. I sure do love your kingdom. It's a perfect place to spend a winter holiday.
Perfect, except there's no snow or ice. Then it would really feel like winter.
Kristoff's right, like holidays in Arendelle.
I wish there was someone who could turn the castle into ice. Oh, I know. Elsa! Why don't you ask the townsfolk if they know anyone who can ice the castle?
Olaf, we already know someone who can do that.
Yeah? Who?
And she's already here.
Yeah? Who?
She made you.
Oh, don't be silly. Elsa made me.
Oh, Olaf. Elsa, wouldn't it be great if you used your frozen miraculous powers? I don't know. Didn't you all like to see Elsa come to the castle and ice the snow?
Yeah.
Twinkling like a million stars. Now, feel the icy magic swell and swirl within you. Do you feel it? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Now, let it go!
Hey guys, don't wait for me!
There you have have it, folks. For the first time ever, these turrets are lit up and they look beautiful. You can see all the way around the castle. And this is glorious, guys. I've never seen it look this way before. We're in the Christmas store at Magic Kingdom. How weird looking are these guys? Like, check this out. It's like Nutcracker style, Mickey's.
It is a nutcracker. It's an actual working nutcracker.
That's so cool.
50s waitress. It's a Small World. Tomorrowland. Haunted Mansion, Half Ox Ghost.
Oh,
and, The
cool.
Bride.
There's a fireplace in the middle of the store. Giant Nutcracker. Everything is lit up and looking beautiful on Main Street. That tree, though, might be more beautiful at night. Look at the size of those popcorn. So leaving Magic Kingdom, you can see the lights are all around the garland. That's so funny. I didn't even realize that it was gonna light up at night. It seems like we always end the vlog here. As Monorail Blue rolls in from the yonder, we are headed home around the corner, 5 minutes from the kingdom. I know it's probably annoying because I keep saying it, but it's exciting, all right? All right, so we're leaving. Christmas decorations were awesome, just amazing.
Best time of the year.
And I'm running out of space on my card, so I gotta wrap this up. I love you guys very much, and we will see you next week. Maine Mafia, out.